In this video, I'll show you how to turn your own photo into a fun Roblox-style image. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Prepare your photo. First, choose a clear photo of yourself. This will be used as the reference image for creating your Roblox-style character. Step 2. Launch HitPaw Photopea. You can download HitPaw Photopea using the link in the description or the card in the top right corner. Every new user gets 2 free AI image generations, so you can try it out for free. Once you open the program, select AI Generator from the menu on the left, then go to Image to Image. Upload the photo you prepared, then copy and paste this prompt. I'll also pin the prompt in the comments so you can easily use it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. For the best Roblox-style results, I recommend using the GPT Image 2 model, which worked extremely well in my tester. Now, click Generate, and in just a few moments, you'll have your own Roblox-style image. It's super easy and fun, so click the link in the description and give it a try. That's it for today's tutorial. If you'd like more creative prompts or fun AI image ideas, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.